2021 Chevrolet Tahoe with a 5.3 direct injected GDI, engine codes p0089 and p228c, both related to fuel, high pressure fuel issues, white smoke coming out the exhaust, fuel smell. You can barely see the fuel leaking out of the muffler. It's even coming out bank one driver side. You can see the header leaking fuel. And if you go with your scanner and you put high pressure sensor and you read the pressure, it will be fine. But when you turn off the truck, the pressure will drop off to 0, which is mean you have an injector stuck open, leaking. We pull the spark, we put the scanner, we put misfire data, and only cylinder 1 was misfiring. We pulled the plug, it was full of fuel. I don't know if you still can, but bank 1 was like all fuel. So we're replacing the injectors. We're gonna replace all of them because you have to remove the intake, and I find them kinda cheap, like $75 each. And make sure you change these lines. I know they're not one-time use, but everybody say replace them or they will leak, and my problem is not leak, removing the intake one more time. So also these, they are not cheap. You can pick the part number. This is Doorman, this is AC Delco, and that should take care of the rough idle and the white smoke. I'll post a video once we get it done. So I have two things to mention here. Make sure you pick the right part number for the high pressure fuel lines, and the main problem for the fuel smell and the white smoke is the stuck open injectors. The fuel pump doesn't have to be replaced, but I will recommend replacing it. Hope you liked the video, and just like and subscribe for more videos.